Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping interference. Close Roblox, then shut background apps that use GPU or CPU. Once done, update your graphics driver and the Roblox client so known bugs are patched. Make sure your monitor's refresh rate and resolution match Roblox settings to avoid mismatched frame timing. You do this because software or driver mismatches commonly cause jitter. After updating, relaunch Roblox and test a simple game for obvious improvement before moving to deeper configuration. Now you tune both Roblox and system settings to stabilize frames. In Roblox, switch graphics mode to manual, lower quality, and reduce resolution scale if needed, because lower rendering load smooths output. Disable VSync in Roblox if it introduces stutter, then use your GPU control panel to cap or stabilize FPS so frame pacing is consistent. Make sure to test changes incrementally so you see which tweak stops the shaking. If you get smoother motion, keep the smallest set of changes that fixed it. Finish by isolating persistent causes. Run Roblox in windowed or borderless mode and try a different monitor or cable to rule out hardware faults. If the problem remains, perform a clean boot to disable third-party overlays and utilities that often inject frames or hooks. Make sure to record when the shaking occurs, menus, specific games, or after certain actions, because that detail helps technicians. If nothing else works, submit a concise bug report to Roblox or update drivers with your recorded symptoms for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.